The Apple AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Apple AirPods. These wireless headphones will work with Bluetooth capable devices. The design may not be for everyone, but don't judge these before trying them. These are very light and portable, and the battery life is great. And if you're into Apple products, you know the quality that they put into their designs. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide and the USB to Lightning cable for charging. The AirPods are simple in design with the charging case. You also have the charging port on the bottom. The charging case is very small and has a smooth glossy finish all around. On the back, it has a Bluetooth pairing button that will work for non-Apple devices. Opening the top will reveal the AirPods. There is an LED status light to indicate the charging level. The AirPods are very light and it's constructed well. Each AirPod will have the left or right ear indicator on the bottom. You can keep the AirPods in the charging case to store them and it will not overcharge. Also, they can be used one at a time. Just to give a size perspective, they are very similar in size to the wired versions, as you see here. The AirPods get more than 24 hours of listening time and up to 11 hours of talk time by using the charge of the case. A single charge can provide up to 5 hours of listening time and up to 2 hours of talk time. 15 minutes of charge in the case will provide 3 hours of listening time and 1 hour of talk time. They have multiple microphones, the battery, antenna, optical sensors, and dual accelerometers as highlighted. Playback controls and answering calls is accessed by double tapping on the side. This will bring up voice controls for Siri, and you can use the commands. You can also modify the controls for a specific playback. Connecting to an Apple device is simple. Here I will use an iPhone's. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and just open the case, and it will prompt you on the screen to connect. Once connected, you can see the battery status of the AirPods and charging case. You can also access this by swiping to the right on the main screen and see it through the battery widget. Accessing the AirPods in the Bluetooth settings will give you the ability to modify the name, change tap settings, modify ear detection, and microphone settings. Here are some options for the tap settings other than the default Siri, and the microphone options from Auto to assigning a specific AirPod. After having the chance to use it for a few days, I'm really happy that I acquired the AirPods. Initially, it didn't appeal to me because of how they looked. These headphones just work and are so portable and convenient. The audio quality doesn't disappoint. Listening to music was pleasant. Taking calls wasn't an issue. And the controls for the AirPod is pretty handy. The charging case is definitely a plus, and I never had to worry about the AirPods losing charge. One thing I would like to see in the future models are waterproofing, noise cancellation, and possibly wireless charging for the case. Yes, it's pricey, but if you're looking for something that is light, portable, and easy to use, then this may be it. You won't get the sound quality compared to over-the-ear headphones, since those are different designs, but these are surprisingly good. This can definitely be used every day. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.